Version 2 Baby Ape, soft crashing grass, tore out the windings of the motor, broke the leg on the carbon fiber. This is a version 2 model. This one here is a version 1 model. I've crashed, I can't tell you how many times, probably at least 20, never heard it. I put a new Foxeer camera on this one, which is a lot better. But I guess what I'll have to do is take the flight controller out of this one and put it back in the version 1, and probably it'll last a little longer. The fun part is going to be soldering on the little tiny, very microscopic solder pads. That's going to be a joy.